The 3SFAX flashcards that you need to make that were newly introduced this week on Monday. You need to make a card that is 3 times 4 and 4 times 3, and 12 is on the back. You need to make a card that is 3 times 5 and 5 times 3, and that's 15. You need to make a card that is 3 times 6 and 6 times 3, and that's 18. 3 times 7 and 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 8 and 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 9 and 9 times 3 is 27. And I'm also going to send you through Gmail a copy of the fluency practice sheet. This is one like we put in our communicators, and just see how many of them we can answer. The 3s are being newly introduced, but then remember, review. We've already done our squares and our 2s. What we found yesterday in looking at this sheet, this one I used last year, the book I pulled it from. Just keep in mind, it also introduced 5 times 6, 5 times 7, 5 times 8, and 5 times 9 in this set. And so what I was just telling the class, we're going to use this. Just keep in mind those are there. Although we haven't made cards for the 5s, I gave them I let them vote. Did they want to keep them in, or I would white them out and change them? They said it was okay to just keep them in because they were going to just skip count by 5s for ones that don't have that memorized. So if you don't have your 3s memorized yet, if you'll just make these cards to put with your set that's in your blue folder, your math folder, and then just be practicing on these, because this is a quiz that you will take and make up when you return. Also, remember how we do in class, we just time ourselves. You can go to Google and type in stopwatch and time yourself to get better and better on that. And remember, I've given you 4 minutes whenever we take that to get those answered and get them done correctly. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns.